Hey there, it's your girl Katina. You probably clicked on this video because you're looking for new, innovative, easier ways to make money and pay them bills, right? So, if you need to supplement your income, you are in the right place. Quick story about me. I am grateful for the shutdown of 2020 because it gave me time to sit down and think and discover ways to make money from anywhere in the world. And, it's always so funny to me when people say real estate agents make too much money, blah, blah, blah. They don't make enough. They need to get paid double because I'm going to tell you right now, I make most of my money from home or I'm in the office just sitting at my computer. But when I was working as a full-time real estate agent, I was working like a dog, y'all. You got to go out to dinners. You got to go house to house to house. You put wear and tear in your car and you might not even sell the house. You might not get no commission at all. So check out this video below. I'm going to tell you, time freedom is the new currency, period. All right. So check out the video below. Let me know what you think and I'll see you on the other side.